Hi everybody, we're going to show you how to do your Windows update. So if you have a Windows computer, you're going to take your mouse all the way to the bottom left and go up to the gear that says settings. Okay, a lot of people do this and they're looking up here for settings. That's not where you go, it's the gear right here. Okay, you go to settings and it's always the bottom one. Once in a while it'll show up at the top, but you want to go to the bottom one. It says update and security. And the first thing you should do is click check for updates. Now, oddly, Microsoft is supposed to check for updates every day or two and apply them for you, but 40% of the time does that work. So I'm really adamant about doing this myself. So you just click on check for updates. Sometimes it'll show optional updates underneath. And this is a major update. This is one of those that we cannot even help you install. It requires someone to manually push that button, download and install. So you have to do that one, but we can click on this, optional updates. That'll show you the big one that I just showed you underneath, and then 4 optional updates. You want to click each one of them, okay? And then you're going to push download and install, and that'll get all those done. Now these at the bottom will only take about a minute for all 4 of them, but this one up here could take a half an hour, and that's why you want to do this at a time convenient to you, not when you're in a rush job and you got to get something done. So let's do that again. We're going to bottom left, go up to the gear which says settings. Go to update and security. You could push check for updates, which I did a second ago. If sometimes this is not here, optional updates, and you could just do the major one if there is anything. There might not be anything there at all, but I like to click on optional updates and make sure there's nothing optional. These are the non-Microsoft things, even though that one says Microsoft right there. These are other companies. This is the name of the people who do my monitor. This is something else attached to my computer, and that's a printer, I think, attached to the computer. So that's what it looks for, is called optional, and the Windows ones. After you do this, it should say restart right there. Now let me show you how to restart. This is not to restart. That's called shutdown. Shutdown doesn't always apply all of your updates. It doesn't really shut down your video card and a couple parts of your computer, which could be causing a problem. So I suggest every week going to restart. Not shut down, but to restart. And when you hit that button, it'll probably put a big thing on the screen here saying applying updates. That's what could take 15 minutes or 20 minutes or so. So please check for your Windows updates periodically.